All right, good evening. Welcome to Pepe's Rise channel or YouTube. No so, ya chiamo edemase emakwaba. Baby a will be ano edipa channel iso. Normally, you don't see us shooting in the evening, but of course, say breaking news be ba ebe ho dwuma e de ama. If it's Sabria Ekodie, we are in the transfer world and the betai ehia mo say Asante Kotoko hat folk in local clubs no transfers omo yina no ye cover e de emam. Now say another da edi kan a wo hwe in video yi bia bomodi answer subscribe to your channel na ade amai. If today happens to be the very first time you are watching any of our videos, kindly subscribe to our channel for us. It is very important that you subscribe and become a member of our family. It is a growing family. What ta hwe yen ne mum onje bre emfa subscribe here. Oh subscribe here enye day. Subscribing is not difficult. Most subscribe iguo. Wo sa emia so pe eno ano no na wa subscribe na wa beka ebusuako no. Thank you so much. Nemum kai say Asante Kotoko Pepe's Rise Media Player of the Year. Player of the Year. Asante Kotoko Pepe's Rise Media Player of the Year. PSM Pepe's Rise Media Player of the Year. Yes, eno na eguso a ye ka won sem e chose 5 players ene nominate omo. If it na ene ade ko no beti top journalist nka a mo de omo analysis any players omo yi e de ebeba. But o akwanya no enye short code bia na ade ko ye no aka say ye ti usika de abre. This award is fully sponsored by Pepe's Rise Media. We'll give the winner $300. They settle on it. $300 plus a plaque. 300 no okay, na zina dollar na say. Yes, I there. See I can say between 2,000 and 5,000 Ghana cedis. No, any sika yade ebema the winner. And then there will be a special award. I was another Santiago player. Name have 5 players with there. Person selected the best now. Oh dear no. Patrick Asiedu, Samba Ndongani, Andrew Sintimanu, Albert Amwa, Ena Kwampoku. These are the 5 names. Video ya uche ya no atwase. Albert Amwa, Kwame Poku, Samba, Patrick Asiedu, Andrew Sintimanu. Eno ano no. Enye short code bia na areko vote ami atew. Thank you so much. Now, yamra ena kasa video na yede abroad. We a breaking news story. And for us here at Pepe's Rise Media, sa channel we so yedi ka confirm the amount sa Asante Kotoko na omoba appointed Hamza Oben Muhammad as Asante Kotoko head of youth team. No masa fano as assistant coach. We said it here. So if you go back to our videos, I think it is more than a week ago, if I can refresh my memory, say video near the Baya Chakakra. And yes, our story. And I've told you, say anytime bia you bear those stories, say you nima yanka. We did painstaking investigations and came to that conclusion. We spoke to all the relevant people involved in the deal. Mesa catch them Saturday no more. Mo share videos here. Me catch them say meeting bi be koso. Say Asante Kotoko any vision ebo wia. Na na penkra ebe shia Michael Sekrem na oni omo eden komo bi. And san komodie no na Hamza din ebeba up. Kotoko and an app in common person be criti tension there between Kotoko and any other club. Say be a more foul player and also more foul coach near day. The players of contract cry urban year. Say Kotoko foul more. They still speak to the club Nana Obon. That is a decision as Anteko management here. So that meeting was held and Kotoko any vision boy no omo di hun komo wi. And officially Asante Kotoko at the release about announcing the appointment of Coach Hamza Obeng. Hamza Obeng, South Interesuni Abrante. So we did that story 12 days ago. I can do 2 weeks. And yeah, confirmed. Asante Kotoko said to appoint Hamza Obeng as head of youth team. It's a story. You're running a war. You're channel iso at the Emma war. And we knew at the time, Sakotoko, I am Hamza, or coaching had to folk that as an assistant coach. Ɛna ɔsan so yɛ adwuma ɛwɔ Takwa Mediema na kaisa at Mediema ɔne Samobodu na ɔyɛ assistant coach ɛde ma Samobodu ɛna owuram ɛwɔ Hartford so na ɔyɛ assistant coach ɛde ma Samobodu. Then Hamza ɛkɔfa Vision FC and you qualify for the Division 1. Or no, in the top of the Zone 3, right? I want to move Zone 3. Or we near. But difference in say, on say Ghana Premier League, the regulations are using her. Just so yeah, CAF license A or any other qualification equivalent to CAF license A. And I'll bet to me a coachy league as head coach. For Hamza, a CAF license B in the crown. Inti or division qualify no into me a head coach. Asante ko shas yes omo track Hamza no ache. Obi onim Hamza bia no. The passion for football enye ne ene shase. Inti se South Central for Ekobo Community Gala those days on the team na eba. Now he's so passionate and he learns on the job. The DJ coaching job no pa enya sepetwa. So he's always been one person or yes edwuma. Ebra edu Jamfi Senior High School. Ebe dominate the Ashanti Region Boys SHS soccer competition no. Hamza Obeng, even though onye teacher at school more, but ono and head of our technical team together with the PE master and some other teachers are no we are very very enthused about football. So the coaching credentials there ubia edi. Na nano na me ka se bi chemo say Hamza Obeng. Se o ka se akoda bi enim ball ko prempe college we ndi agiro. Akoda bi enim ball oko opoku are oko Kumasi High or data of almost all young talents, especially in the Ashanti region, because or a youth development coach, and Ofolong Kwadana Pa. Eti Hamza, there were a lot to offer when it comes to Kwada development. Anyone etete. Let me read the Asante Kotoko release, and I say announcement. They say capture. We are pleased to announce the appointment of Hamza Obeng Mohammed as assistant coach for the senior team and head coach for the young Porcupines for a 2-year period. Dana me Hamza story na the mama. Na Hamza Abakumasi. It was a Thursday or by year former Kotoko player and assistant coach, Kotoko youth team coach, George Asare. A year be na mse ne maame a year ewo Santase Kokoben. And we go free on. Sada na Asante Kotoko young Porcupines. Wamone Eja FC a ball that third division middle league playoff no. Yeah, omulusu on penalties no. Osa koy ekohwe game ni bi ewo Sofla Alignment and sada na be confirm am say oni Kotoko awi and or train to the end of the season. Ampa Kotoko season man wi but Vision FC and all other Premier League teams almost season abawi here. Apart from Asante Kotoko, I no ewo game ball with Golden Cake in the FA Cup no. Premier League team biano season end on Sunday. Eti essence Vision for season end no. Kotoko could afford to appoint him. And again, Hamza knew a lot about Golden Cake because Ebra Okochi Vision Division 1 on the Golden Cake ebo bebrebe oni momo. And I'm sure the management will want to tap into his knowledge about that team going into the finals of the FA Cup. Hamza appointment, medical chimacho say Obaba the head of youth team. Eti Prosper Nete Ogun. Coaches are on your mobile nina. Ebra Prosper Aircon on your munina and a coy. Nete Ogun Aircon. The youth team coaches nina if you. In fact, Adana Kotoko Ebo and a young Porcupines Ebo gamer or many a Jack FC boy. Na assistant coach Prince Owusu. Any former captain Olomo. It was from Paul. Omuna a lead team. But there's a team and no more coaches. But Omo Ephraim Ekoya and Enti Asante Kotoko Afa Hamza as the head of youth team coaching at Asante Kotoko. Mami Franju has said Kotoko currently they have only one age group youth team. The idea is that Kotoko will have a 12, and a 14, 16, and then Omo Mobo second division. And all of that a part of the job description Asante Kotoko company for Edebema Hamza Obeng say undeveloped and farmer the club Asante Kotoko. Again, Hamza ebe serve as the second assistant coach to Abdul Karim Zito. Kotoko nyam Zito appointment. ebeba na mum na no bi frame se Pepe se Zito nim no lusu Africa tum kura ya appointment dem ma o obi ene o boss empire. We don't pray that it happens that way, but of course that is it. So Hamza ebe serve as an assistant coach to the senior team, but on a second assistant because our first assistant in Prince ya Owusu. Prince Owusu de ne appointment somewhere kaya said the kotokosi chrobrofo fa mine no any achievement to atiti players ko MLS ebi wo Bundesliga ebi wo chesenya agro French lo championnaire omo anemu players in there, but accolades omo dem awura nti ono the first assistant. Hamza will be the second assistant. Now this one thing that I'm telling you, Matisse Hamza say was share video analysis as part of the development, you know. It is also going to serve as the video analyst to the first team coach. It is Hamza will be a scout, will be to scout your opponent, will be scout for players, and was also share video analysis. You know, it is the obey say ebi akotoko kwa game. The technical team will put together videos of the opposition, an opposition player, be a danger man. Then Hamza will now sit and do analysis, video analysis of the player or the team, almost system or mobile player, no the strength, the weakness, so that or the same information, Emma, the head coach now, the head coach will use that as part of the tactical session on it. Players in the no use at the strategizing at the opponent. And he's also coming in to serve as somebody obey the video analyst at the technical team. Apart from his technical knowledge about football, no, or science the added advantage about video analysis was sense no at the account unimiye njobe say adwuma no at the amasante kotoko. So now the kotoko technical team no it take shape. Kotoko technical team no Shishaba. Of course, the assistant coach is there. Now, Omo, a technical director, also acting as the head coach. I can't one game. Nyame adom na kwasiada. Referee ball whistle na kotoko ashe golden cake AGFA Cup na. The confirmation will come the next day. Anse kotoko ba be piem adwoada no pa no. Omo fin cry. Monday, omo tukwa na dwono. Omo je cup no mbeda. Na omo sim dwoada. Na omo withdraw wia. Ebia Tuesday ometumi akochia opemso kurura santehene timura no. Now omukwa at that meeting official introduction will be done. Official introduction will be done. Then the appointment, the confirmation of the appointment, ewo kotoko handles na so no. Ebeba bonten amomo de aba. But ebia se Zito ekolusu cap na de a enye nanu yi 3-1 ya de bashin kakraba yo. Bashin kakraba. It is a ekolusu at then management to have a second thought, and I'm can't have the carry because supporters na mpanyifo na so mo yada na ama no. Na bi. Ejeta omo mbetwon. Ejeta ombetwon. Yenti edu ba bia na eme ya no. Na se ba unse mpanyifo no cycles mpanyifo bebre. Njema mo kafa mo abonte tinye problem. But we work with our conscience. So, okojiji obi edim na afi nipa ko no kire se on na kotoko kra ebe kura no, the soul of kotoko ebe kura no. Javedi on ebe determine da abeje cap onye cap. Ba mo so mo nyina nim se mo nante ko ba bi ni aka kire mo se nye yi afi nye yi. Ba na mo sa the pressure abeto mpanyifo ze empam coach. Abra ya ka kire mo se nye. Na ne awugidi a wokọ ye. Na me kan na mo dwa me no but anya hwe. We'll come to a realization. Ye nyina one day we'll get to where you begin to understand that adwuma na me ye nya nye ntia obi o. But no kura ne da hɔ a ye be ka de akire damfo. Ye ka no kura akire damfo nche se damfo agoro. Esiesie damfo. Ye nyina yetimi akoye. So we expect Kotoko to confirm the appointment of Coach Abdul Karim Zito. Na afi ono nso aba the head coach. The assistant one ebe Prince Owusu. Assistant 2 ebe Hamza Obin. Then Hamza beside the head of the youth team. in terms of scouting for young talent, ni nyina eba bedi Hamza ho. No aye say adwuma no. Again, mame fa we emfa ntu dan kamere efi. Enche bia the Ghana Football Association eba organize CAF license A exams ni bi. CAF license A exams. The mate and say Hamza Obin I enroll into he will write the license A. Na ho na me dwene ho say say omo onya license A na obe koso atiase so yekotiko youth team coach. Okwa akotro. So onya license A na obe koso aya Asante ko youth team coach na because then na the other options Premier League teams ebe person be fan. And now obe buy the time e wokotoko ye assistant na e bia one day obe the senior team coach and these are questions that we are throwing out there. Now yahwe said here and also ABC Ako. But the big announcement, the big news, and say Asante Kotoko, one are confirming the signing of Coach Hamza Obin as the head of youth team and Afi Obesan so Abeye Juma the first team as second assistant coach. And apart me stories be now. Details of the meeting between Asante Kotoko INC and Charles Jemfi Kamara of BBN Gold Stars. Make sure you go at the amount. Details of that particular meeting. Remember, blow by blow account of what happened. How much they agreed on. Charles Jemfi Kamara and a purported move to Rwanda, the rural Rwanda. It me kura dosia. Say, I can't dosia out here. Ikurame. Abrante did Zakaria Fusini Anopano. The confirmation the edema. Na confirmation name free baby say Zakaria Fusini Nankasa. Ewo onu ankasa ni X page. Ena otro big announcement soon. Zakaria Fusini. Onu ankasa etro big announcement soon. All the meetings, everything has been done. Ewo kotko secretariat wa eno medical confirmation say done deal. 3-year contract. Ena Zakaria Fusini. Eso signing ede ama Asante Kotoko. He is coming in as a center back. Makacho say Kotoko drop your interest omo na drop ya na bo na pamo. Eti takwa medie ma say omo je $70,000 for Nuruddin Abdullahi and $100,000 for Kamaradin Mahmoud. $100,000 there over 10 billion. Ti say nya dia on say mezi okwan e fa so enkane na na ye ko Kumasi high school. Ye be kontaku ni suzu na akopem pabuato. Na boys no mo town blue light ache onya na blue light ba ye baby a wo share. Omutimi hwa we hu sky wo ene wo level. Ti utimi som pabu bi na ode na chia ball price. Ofesa wo de to na akọ bi ko ni untimi ntok on wasting the time. So ata say ubetuma dware akogina car bi ho. Mine no e sori be hu zawo na ogina wa. Na e bia Rolls Royce na ogina wo no hwe wa. Ubetuma ball be say $3 million do ni bi na ha no anopa fe no fa dwene na ha no ate. Iti sana mediama for no eti apam kotoko. Then urum ewo Gold Stars Foster J. Foster Sanji man of the match ewo nanu game on boy no. In the last 5 games for Gold Stars, them was man of the match be 4. To Foster J. And so there no Gold Stars I said no, they are not selling. Omo de ne kobo the CAF Champions League any ate. We nyina na stories am urum. E de ma bibiani Gold Stars I take a decision. So omo CAF Champions League games no. Ombebo ewo yeah frozen. Ombebo wo Accra. And I was explaining why the amount involved on the team no a fly one but CAF regulations is obi about fee na say more than 200 kilometers you must fly the team. Nankati you near airport and come back. But say Go Stars decided to board and cry na problem bia ama. It no a decision one take here. You don't want seven no at the amount. None of my story be me refia ya monka be justice play. I catch him for so person. Nana Penkra Kwesi Awuah ne IMC no ɛtena ase yɛ meeting no. Sɛ Kotokogye FA Cup ɔmo kɔ Africa. Justice Blay is the most experienced player at Kotoko today. The next player ɔno ɛwɔ experience kakra yɛ goalkeeper wabɔ 3 years awɔkɔ. Na afei aba Henry nso 2 years. Baba ya 2 years. Peter Amidu akwatu. Ha adwene ho. Interfo team no ɔmo ne Man City de ball Champions League final. Na ɔmo sɛ bɔ final na 8 egyina mu. Kotokogye no obi ani nti panyimfo aka che Blay sɛ wobɛkɔ no. Sɛ wobɛkɔ no Blay wokɔ a wode Kotoko experience nyina na ɛkɔ. Meeting bi akɔ so ene. Memo details anadwe na azechina. Thank you so much for always watching us. We are grateful that you keep watching us. May the Almighty God be with us all. God bless you.